Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to share your location to your friends on WhatsApp. So to share a location, you go to your WhatsApp app and click on the little pin close to the camera. You click on location. It's going to ask you to turn on your GPS. You turn on your location on your Android device or on your iPhone. Go back and click on share live location. You can choose your duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. I'm going to use 8 hours, for example, in this video. Click on 8 hours and you can name it anything. My live location. And click on send. Now when the person click on it, is going to see your current live location. So that's how you send your live location on WhatsApp. That'll be it for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.